So, I am from WWF-India, TS Panwar, working in the Climate Change and Energy Division of WWF-India. We run this program called Climate Solver, which essentially promotes cleantech innovation in the energy field amongst the SMEs. And the idea is that these clean technology innovations have tremendous scope for promoting energy efficiency, competitiveness, and providing environmental benefits both from a global perspective by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and also from a local environmental perspective by reducing local sources of pollution such as air pollution. Overall, this program aims to sort of bring in these innovative solutions from different parts of the country and give them outreach and exposure through the global platform called Climate Solver. We also intend to facilitate networking amongst the various ecosystem stakeholders who are engaged in promoting clean tech innovation in the country, which includes the SMEs, but also the finance community, the incubators, accelerators, and the government bodies which are involved in promoting incubation in clean technology in the country.
Doing actually pretty well because of a lot of homework that's been done, a lot of coordination among the various agencies, because as you can imagine, these projects are not easy to do, and this requires multiple agencies to coordinate, and agencies included government agencies, NGOs and so on. So I think we are doing pretty well, and a lot of projects are under tendering process, already tendered and so on. With respect to clean tech, obviously it's a very big area of what we are doing. For example, water, sewage and other recycling, for example. Many of our lakes and rivers are polluted, so it will be very interesting to have clean technology that converts raw sewage into water, drinking water and so on. And for the industry, there's a huge demand from industry. Same thing goes for pollution sensors. Then you have solar energy to convert go away from fuel, diesel and so on to more renewable sources. So I think as far as we are concerned, we are very, very keen to look at various technologies as far as clean technology is concerned. And many of the projects are already envisioning a lot of these technologies.
Thank you.